Let's talk about the parts of an inch. This is very important for any time you're using a ruler, a measuring tape. It could be measuring nuts and bolts and all that at the hardware store or for your own house. So being able to tell where things are, very important. I want you to write this along. If this is for your class, I want you to write this in your notebook. This is going to be checked in your engineering notebook for quarter one. Just making sure that it has the 100 points. If you're using this as a reference, it's never a bad idea to keep drawing this out, especially if you're uncomfortable with where the lines are. So what I want you to do to begin, make a box kind of like this and open it at the top. Because what it's representing is any inch along the ruler or the measuring tape. It could be the first inch, which would be from 0 to 1. It could be the 16th inch. So it'd be 16 to 17. Literally any of these inches, it's the exact same. It's a unit of measurement. It's supposed to be the same no matter where you're at. Now, it's the space that we're actually measuring. Lines tell us where the spaces end, but that's what we're counting. The first way we divide it is right in two. Okay, we're dividing it in half. And it's shown by 1 over 2, 1/2. Look at the spaces. We've divided the inch into two spaces, 1, 2. And at this line, we're one of those spaces towards the other side. You're going to notice a pattern because each time we're going to break those spaces into two. Okay, dividing them in half each time. Super easy. Now, how many spaces do we have? We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the way we write that is 1/4 here, because we're 1, 2, 3, 4, and one of the spaces on the way over to the other side. Now this one right here, it's 3/4. Right? Might look a little funny at first, but think about it. It's 1, 2, 3 of the 4 spaces towards the other side. Now where did the 2/4 go? The 2/4. It's right here at the half. Okay? We can simplify down 2/4 down into 1/2 using our fractions simplification. After this, we want to split it in half again. Now, how many spaces do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are eighths. 1/8, 3/8, 5/8, 7/8. We got the pattern. The odd numbers are on top. If they had even numbers, they can be simplified down. Where did the 2/8, the 4/8, and the 6/8 go? They are in the bigger numbers. So 2/8, 4/8, and 6/8. Being able to measure to the eighths is very important. If you can get within that distance, you're really close. In construction, that's really as close as you need to get to. However, for chemistry and physics and all that, we need to get smaller. And that's actually where metric's going to help, but we're sticking with standard for right now because that's what we use mostly in America. The last time we're going to split them for right now is making 16ths. Because all we do is split those eighths, dividing them by 2. Okay. And here's the pattern again. We have odd on top, even on the bottom. So 1/16, 3/16, 5/16, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. I'm not going to write the 16ths for all the other ones because that'll get a little crowded on here and I want you to be able to see. Now I understand that the 16ths can get very confusing. What I'd like to do is only remember right around the quarters, the half, and the whole inches. Because let's take the half right now. You can remember that half an inch is 8/16. Okay, 8 is half of 16. So if you remember that the 16th just one smaller than the half is 8 minus 1 would be 7. Just one bigger would be 9. Okay, you got this section right here. You could do that with the quarters. 12/16 is 3/4. 1 minus 12, 11 is for that. 1 plus 12 for 13. You can do it for all of them. Now, the more you measure, the more comfortable it's going to be. I've done it so much that I just know that this 16th plus close to the quarter above is 5/16. It doesn't take me that long, as long as I explained it right there, to remember it. It can be frustrating as you're learning and getting better and better, okay, but it's a very, very valuable skill. So again, I'm going to post this on Google Classroom. Hopefully you can use this information to use or be able to measure better throughout the year.